So tonight we had a Retail Academy event on retail in the Metaverse. And this was part of our series of Retail Academy events. We've had our Style Gallery, which was a huge event here at Mishcon with lots of pop-up brands. We've had Academy sessions on NFTs and the opportunities that retail brands can have in utilising them. And we've had an event about big data.
Obviously, the media portrayals of the metaverse are these sort of dystopian Ready Player One, The Matrix style worlds that, frankly, are often just a pale imitation of the real thing. I want to try and encourage all of you to think of it more as a movement, and it's a movement towards a blurring between physical and digital. At the moment, those things both exist, but they exist very, very separate. If I want to go and buy something today, I go into a store physically, or I go online. All the metaverse is a blurring of those two realities, and it's a bringing together of those two realities that can hopefully allow you to do all the things you do today, but do it in a far more immersive, experiential, and hopefully rewarding way.
I think the biggest thing for the retail industry is providing these digital experiences in store, in traditional bricks and mortar. So physical experiences with digital content. I guess phygital is the word that everybody's using.
So we're seeing loads of legal developments in the space internationally. One of the really exciting things that we're working on as well at the moment with the Law Commission is this new consultation on digital assets. And this is really exciting because it's coming up with a third category of personal property, and we haven't had a change in law since 1885. So currently we have two categories of personal property. You can have a chosen possession for something like gold, or you can have a chosen action, so for example, a debt. And this new category of personal property would be data objects.
The fashion industry is struggling how to move from a 2D world to a 3D world. Skill sets are lacking. They need to understand how to recruit those people and how to begin to utilise those technologies that will offer all of these new experiences for their consumers.
It's a very rich and diverse discussion tonight, and what was very clear is that no one has a crystal ball. It's still very, very early days in the metaverse. People are still experimenting, they're trying new things. The direction of travel is still very much unknown. You know, people have a vision of dystopia from these films, and the metaverse is unlikely to be that. What we're really seeing, and where we think the direction of travel is going to be, is this ability of the metaverse to really provide immersion and giving people a much richer and deeper experience. And that's what's really going to make the difference. There's no doubt this will be a massive part of all of our lives.
You need to do like a review as well of your portfolio. You need to break down, we're talking about IPs here quite a lot, but I think we need to really break down, are we looking at trademarks, are we looking at designs, are we looking at copyright, are we looking at patents, are we looking at trade secrets, for instance? We have to break all of these down. Also think about maybe setting up a trademark watch service. Think about buying Web3 domain names. You know, if you go back to the .com boom as well, and people buying up, you know, website domain names, and actually think about how you can protect your brand and getting in there first. And that goes back to being proactive, right? Actually going into these spaces and just monitoring the space to see what's going on, really.
Do your research, learn about the metaverse, understand what skills, what technologies are required, and then you're at the right starting point to begin to understand what you can achieve in the space.